Hey, what's going on everyone? It's Jono here from Jono-Armstrong.com. Welcome to my Apollo22 review. Now, I am here inside the members area of Apollo22, and during this video I'm going to give you a demo and a run through of exactly what this is and exactly how this works. So basically, this is my product that's launching on the 3rd of February, and the reason why I put this together is because a few weeks ago, a guy called Andy, who I'm pretty good friends with, he approached me. He'd actually been posting stuff on his Facebook wall, which I'll show you now. And it's all about how he's getting these insane gains in the crypto market. So like here, he spent $40 and he made back $2,340 in the space of a few hours, a 5,750% ROI in a few hours. And you can see it actually blew up with comments. There's a ton of people asking him, how do you do it? How do you do it? How do you do it? And then he posted again a couple of days later, $1,680 pure profit in 5 minutes, exactly 5 minutes, which is also pretty insane, and also got a ton of comments as well. And then here we go. It feels better each time. 1,233 net profit in a down market. So everybody was asking him, what are you doing, Andy? What are you doing? And he actually came to me and he said, look, I found this amazing way of making money by investing a tiny little bit of money and blowing it up by thousands of percent in ROI. Do you want to launch this with me? And I actually said, well, I'm kind of retired now. I don't really want to launch anymore, but this is just too good for me not to launch because a lot of people need this right now. So I decided that I would take him on and launch this with him, and that's where Apollo22 was born. So that's a little bit of a backstory. Another backstory is I'm not at home at the moment. I'm actually in a villa in the south of Bali with this amazing sea view behind me. But anyway, that's not why you're watching. So I'm going to review this inside of this video today, and I'm going to show you exactly what this does, exactly how it works, etc. And I've also put together a ton of custom bonuses for those of you that would like to pick this up via my link, which is down below in the description if you're watching on YouTube. If you click on that link, it's going to bring you through to my bonus page. It's going to look like this, which you may already be on. If you come through from my email, that's fine. Just simply scroll down and click on any of these red buttons as of 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Okay, that's New York time, 9 a.m. on February the 3rd. Okay, so find out what time that is in your country, 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York time. That's when this is going to go live, and that's when you'll be able to click on any of these red buttons to go through to the sales page. That will look like this, where you'll be able to go ahead and pick this up. Now, you'll need to pick it up before the countdown timer on my bonus page here hits 0, because when it does, all of my bonuses will expire, and that is obviously something that I don't want you to miss out on because I've spent a ton of time putting together one of my best bonus packages yet for you guys, so you really get some good value when you pick this up. So, bonus number 1, I'm going to give you access to every single product that I've created since the beginning of 2020, plus all of the upsells as well. The whole funnel. There's probably like 10 or 15 products in there that you get access to the front end and all of the upsells as well. This is my mega bonus, and this will be removed after 24 hours, okay? So this is going to be removed on February the 4th at 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So make sure that you lock this in via my link before 9 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on February the 4th if you want to get all of my products since 2020 and all of the upsells, which is pretty epic. So that's bonus number 1. Bonus number 2, I'm going to give you access to Latitude Pro. Now, Latitude Pro is a course that I launched in August, at the end of August 2021, which is only a few months ago. And this is all about NFTs. So it's also a crypto-related product, and we show you how to set up your own NFTs, how to buy other people's NFTs very cheaply and resell them, so you don't really have to do any work. Anyway, this is the Pro version, so you get access to the advanced training as well, which is pretty awesome. Bonus number 3, I'm going to give you access to Nova, which is a plugin for TikTok, which will get you free traffic from TikTok and Instagram, which is probably going to help you out. Bonus number 4, I'm going to give you my Done For You campaigns for just $1 a month. So what does this mean? Well, basically, I make you bonus pages just like this one that you're looking at, with all the graphics and all the bonuses included, twice a week. Okay, 2 times a week I send you bonus pages, and it's only going to be $1 a month. Now, I do have to charge for this, but it's only $1. The reason why I have to charge for it is because I pay my VA to do this for you guys. But it's going to save you so much time. If you know how long it takes to make bonus pages yourself, then you'll understand that this is a great deal for just $1 a month. Anyway, I'm sweating here, so I'm going to get to the point. I'm going to keep this fast. Finally, bonus number 5, any vendor bonuses that you'll get as well. All of these bonuses yours 100% free of charge, even if you just pick up the front end, which is only going to be $16.97. And you'll get all of those bonuses thrown in. So all you need to do to claim those bonuses, first of all, if you watch on YouTube, click on the link down below in the description, come through to my bonus page here, which you may already be on. Scroll down, click on any of these red buttons as of 9 AM Eastern Standard Time on the 3rd of February. To come through to the sales page, it will look like this. We can go and pick this up. As soon as you picked it up, you simply need to go through to your Warrior Plus account. In the top right hand side, you're going to see your username. Hover over there, click on Purchase History, click on Apollo22, and that will bring you through to your receipt page that is going to look something like this one right here, where you'll find a blue button that says Access Affiliate Bonus. Well, actually, this time, because it's me that is promoting this, I will send you an email with a link to the bonuses that you bought from me, or you probably find them in the members area, right? As I'll give you access to a special members area where you can get all of these bonuses thrown in. So, okay, you might not find the button on the receipt page there, all right, because this is my launch. I don't have an affiliate link, so... Right, so let's go and have a quick look at the sales page right now, and it looks like this. It says, watch how this cryptocurrency genius turns a $4.02 Bitcoin balance into $346.35 in just 24 hours using a controversial blockchain manipulation hack. That's exactly what this is. Check out the sales page in your own time. I'm not going to go through the whole thing with you because it is pretty lengthy. I'm just going to skip straight into the members area right now and show you around. So this is the members area here. You've got a welcome video by myself, which I made in the hot tub, which is just down there. But go and check that out. And then this is the bulk of the training right here. So how it works, setting everything up, how prediction works, setting up indicators, getting an edge over everyone else, money management. So it's pretty simple, and it's actually a very simple concept. Now what it does is it uses what's called pancake predictions. So there's a platform which is called Pancake, which you may or may not have heard of. If you're into crypto, you probably will have heard of it. But what you can do on Pancake is you can buy a coin which is called BNB, which is Binance's crypto coin. And what you can do is you can bet whether you think it's going to go up or whether you think it's going to go down. Now, most people just use this as a way of gambling. And maybe they will win, maybe they will lose. But what we've done here in Apollo22 is we actually show you, inside of setting up indicators, how to use this platform, which is TradingView. So you can actually predict where the market is going to go, whether it's actually going to go up or whether it's going to go down. And we show you how to do that inside of the Apollo22 training. So it's actually pretty predictable. You can see what the market's going to do. You can see that the market's going to go up, so you bet that the market's going to go up. You win. If the market looks like it's going to go down, based on what we teach you inside of Apollo22 using this this trading platform, you can predict that it's going to go down, and you can also win when it goes down. So it makes it very, very easy for you to predictably bet on the right place, bet that it's going to go up or bet that it's going to go down. And the best thing about this is that you can put as little as $4 in there to get started. So you don't need to have thousands of dollars to get started using this. And you just simply bet and bet and bet using our predictable strategy inside of Apollo22. And that money multiplies and multiplies and multiplies until it reaches the point where it's at thousands of dollars, like Andy shows in his Facebook posts, right? That is pretty much all Apollo22 is. But obviously, in order to do this properly and as risk-free as possible, you need to follow the instructions so you can make sure that you know that the market's going to go up so you can bet on it, or you know that the market's going to go down so you can also bet on it. So that's basically everything that is covered inside of the members area, right? So let's have a look at the prices and the upsells. Everything that I just showed you in the front end is only going to be $16.97. Now remember, for this $16.97, you also get access to all of my bonuses that I talked to you about earlier on, which collectively are over thousands and thousands of dollars worth of free products, including all the upsells and everything. It's thousands of dollars worth of products. So all of that for just $16.97. Plus you get access to this amazing course, which is going to show you basically how to multiply your money very, very easily. Okay, so upsell number 1 is going to be our VIP group access, where you get VIP support. So if you want support with this, then you're going to have to pick up the product bump, which is going to be available on the front end, and that's only going to be $7.97, but you will get access to priority support doing that. Upsell number 1 is supercharged. It's going to be $47, and this is where Andy shares extra secret methods that allow him to 10x his balance in a matter of minutes instead of full days. Okay. Upsell number 2 is group coaching. This is going to be $297, and this is going to be where Andy takes you on group coaching sessions and shows you exactly what you need to do in real time on live calls, so you get direct access to him. Right, the sun's starting to go down a bit, so I'm going to have to crouch down. So that's group coaching for $297. There's also a downsell at $197, so you can get $100 off if you want to do that. Upsell number 3 is Andy's Signals. This is also going to be $197, but with a downsell of $97, so you can save yourself $100 there. And this is basically where Andy will message you a couple of times a week and tells you exactly which ones to bet on, which are pretty much guaranteed to make you winnings. Upsell number 4 is a bundle. This is $67 with a downsell at $27, and this is a bundle of different products worth thousands of dollars that we've put together to help you with this. And then finally, upsell number 5 is a reseller's license, which is $67, but there is a downsell at $27 on this. And this basically allows you to resell Apollo22 as if it is your own product, and you get to keep 100% of all of these price points instead of 50% as a regular affiliate, which I think is great because this funnel is pretty deep. Okay, that basically brings me to the end of this video. Don't forget to check out my bonuses, especially this first one, which will be removed on February the 4th at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. And don't forget to check out all my other bonuses as well, which I explained to you at the beginning of this video. That is basically it from me. Thank you so much for watching my Apollo22 review, and I'll speak to you on the next one. All the best. Take care. Bye.